How to unlink EA account on Steam. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is we're going to visit ea.com over here, and of course you're going to log into your account that is also your Steam account. After that, simply open your profile over here on the top left or top right, and I've already logged in, so simply click on account setting. In this account setting, you're then going to simply look over here on the left side. We have our different menu here. Navigate and locate the connections option. Now in this page, simply click on Unlink on Steam over here under Steam. So if you click on Unlink over here, you then will be able to unlink your EA account on your Steam. So that's basically it, guys. This is how you will be able to unlink it. It has to be directly inside of EA. If it's on the side of Steam itself, you might have a very hard time, but this is the easiest way. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.